If you had put 1 lakh rupees into this one Indian stock at the start of 2026, today, just 5 months later, that money would be worth 2 lakh rupees 70,000. No crypto. No options. A regular NSE listed company. The stock is HFCL, and almost nobody outside of Dalal Street was talking about it. Today we break down exactly why it exploded 170% in 2026, whether the story is over, and most importantly, what this means for your portfolio. Most people know Reliance, TCS, Infosys. But HFCL, Himachal Futuristic Communications Limited, is one of those companies quietly building the backbone of India's digital future. Here's what they actually do. HFCL is India's #1 optical fiber cable manufacturer. Every time Jio, Airtel, or BSNL lays cable underground, a big chunk of that fiber comes from HFCL. But that's not all. They also make defense electronics, surveillance radars, thermal weapon sights, electronic fuses. They supply to Indian Railways. And they export globally. This is not a one-trick company. It's a diversified infrastructure play sitting right at the intersection of India's 3 biggest national missions, 5G defense self-reliance, and the AI boom. So what happened in 2026 that caused the stock to go from 65 rupees in January to 176 rupees by 27th May? 4 things hit at the same time. And when 4 good things hit together, that's when stocks go parabolic. Catalyst number 1, Q4 FY26 results that shocked the street. Revenue jumped 128% year-on-year to 1,824 crore rupees. Net profit came in at 178 crore rupees, and here's the kicker. The same quarter last year, they posted a net loss of 81 crore rupees. A complete turnaround. Catalyst number 2, a $1.1 billion global optical fiber cable contract. That is the largest export order in HFCL's history. International customers are queuing up for Indian fiber, because the world is building AI data centers, and data centers run on fiber. Catalyst number 3, fresh export orders worth 184 crore rupees for optical fiber to international clients, announced in May 2026. The order book now stands at a record 21,200 crore rupees. Catalyst number 4, a 135 crore rupees order from Railtel, a Navratna Railway PSU, announced on 27th May. That single announcement sent the stock up 9% in one day to 176 rupees.